Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in the USA. First, you must understand that only Binance, US, is legally available for residents here. You'll need to complete identity verification with a valid government-issued ID. This ensures compliance with regulations. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using various methods like bank transfers or debit cards to begin your crypto journey. Funding your Binance US account is straightforward. You can link your bank account directly for seamless deposits and withdrawals, which is often preferred for larger amounts. For quicker, smaller purchases, a debit card offers instant transactions. Remember that deposit limits can vary significantly based on your verification level, so always check your account's specific details before funding. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into books anywhere, anytime. You can find the link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your account is funded, you're ready to trade. Binance US offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. You can place market orders for immediate execution at the current price, which is great for quick trades. For more control, use limit orders to specify the exact price you want to buy or sell at, allowing you to strategize your entries and exits. Security is paramount when dealing with crypto. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. When it's time to withdraw, be aware of the specific limits and processing times, which can vary. For long-term safekeeping, consider transferring your funds to an external, secure cryptocurrency wallet, giving you full control over your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.